Hi, my name's Matthew Gorman. I'm Sustainability and Environment Director at Heathrow Airport, and I'm here to talk to you today about how we're achieving Mission Possible in the area of mobility. Sustainable mobility is a huge challenge globally. More and more people want to travel, to visit friends and family around the world, to do business, to discover the world. But that growth is also happening in a relatively carbon intensive sector in aviation, and at a time when the world is looking to move to a well below 2 degrees centigrade world. So our challenge as aviation is to deliver some of that growth and the economic benefits it brings, but at the same time do that within some of the clear environmental limits that we also face. Our licence to operate as a company and as a sector and our licence to grow in future will depend on how we can tackle that challenge. For an airport like Heathrow, which is big and also close to the city it serves, some of the upsides of what we bring, jobs, economic growth, connectivity, but also some of the downsides, aircraft noise and pollution, are in very sharp relief. So sustainability has always been important to the company. But about a year or two ago, we decided to ask what leadership would look like for us. And we published a bold new leadership plan for sustainable growth called Heathrow 2.0. That set out, among other things, the aspiration for our growth as an airport in future to be carbon neutral. And one of the things that we're looking at to achieve that is restoring ecosystems in the UK like peatland, a huge potential sink for carbon. But we're also playing a leading role in stimulating new technologies and helping create the market for the electric vehicle revolution. So we've set a goal that all of our own small cars and vans will be electric by 2020, and we're also introducing new ultra-low emission zone standards for the many vehicles that operate within the airport at Heathrow, again to help drive new technological progress. Heathrow Airport is the largest single site employment site in the UK, with nearly 80,000 people clocking on to work here each day. But actually of those people, only around 10% or so work for the company that I work for, Heathrow Airport. So every aspect of delivering our bold sustainability plan, Heathrow 2.0, depends on collaboration with the 300 or so other companies that work at the airport. We have developed a sustainability partnership to help us deliver that collaboration, bringing together the chief execs or the MDs of the biggest companies operating at the airport. We're also conscious that we don't have all the answers to what sustainable aviation or sustainable airports will look like in future. So we're launching this year a new Centre of Excellence for Sustainable Airports. That's about working with universities and academics to help us research some of the difficult challenges and questions that we face on carbon and on noise and on resource efficiency. But it's also about working with innovators, be they SMEs or entrepreneurs or other companies, to bring the kind of technological innovation that we need to the market faster so that we can deliver our goal of genuinely sustainable airports and sustainable aviation. This is Heathrow's mission to achieve a future of sustainable mobility. This is Mission Possible.